Guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we're going to be unboxing an Amazon Basics extended mousepad. So let's get started. What is so special about this mousepad? Let me tell you that this mousepad is a huge. It'll take like your laptop, your like monitor stand, and then your keyboard as well as your mouse. So this mousepad is for like people who play on low sensitivity. So yeah, you get a lot of space to move your mouse around, and you also get a little bit of hand rest as it doesn't hurt like you hold it like that. So yeah, so let's unbox this and let's see how huge it is. I recorded myself unboxing this, but I deleted it by mistake. I'm so sorry, but yeah, the packaging was pretty good. I mean, yeah. And then, so a regular mousepad is like this big, like this big. You just do that. That's for like editing and stuff. This is for like people who play on low sensitivity. So yeah, you get a lot of room to move around. So like that, and then okay, let's go on the floor because I mean, yeah, this table is not big enough to hold the mousepad. It's pretty big. As you guys can see, this is how big the mousepad is, and there's the floor mat. So you can like see how big this is. Like this is where your keyboard is gonna come, and this is where your mouse is. You know, and you can like keep your phone here and stuff like that. So there's like a lot of space to work on. So this is why low sensitivity gamers would buy this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Please click the subscribe button if you did not, and click the bell icon for notifications. I'll meet you guys next time. Bye. For watching my video, please give this video a huge thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you did not. And click here if you want to subscribe to my channel. Right there. Yeah, click here to subscribe, and click somewhere here to watch one of my older videos, some random video right here. Bye.